So Kawaii asks if we can recommend other digital banks na may mas mataas na interest rates. So thank you for this question, and to respond, what I actually did was just to list as many of the banks as possible na may mas mataas na interest rates relative to the market to give you guys a chance to look around. A good thing to know regarding these banks is not all of them are actually considered as digital banks. So the ones in green, sila lang yung classified as digital banks by the BSP. Meanwhile, the ones in orange, sila ay classified as rural banks. And the ones in blue, sila naman ay classified as commercial banks. Now, in our use case, may significance ba to? Well, wala. Kasi lahat naman sila ay PDIC insured at BSP backed. So lahat naman sila ay legit banks. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin naman ang bahala kung alin sa mga bank accounts na to ang gagamitin mo. Well, there are so many factors to consider aside from interest rates, such as cash-in fees, cash-out fees, transfer fees, ease of navigating the user interface, or even the overall customer experience. As with anything, always best to do your own research for your own peace of mind. If there's anything I missed, please add it in the comments. I'd love to read up on them. Yun lamang. Salamat!